Welcome to Code Fix, where you learn and enhance your programming experience. In this video we have shared how value error, not enough values to unpack, expected 2, got 1. This error occurs when you try to unpack values from an iterable, but the number of values you're trying to unpack does not match the number of elements in the iterable. For example, if you have the following code, when you run this type of code, you will get this kind of error. This will raise a value error with the message, not enough values to unpack, expected 2, got 1. This is because the tuple, 1, has only one element, but you're trying to unpack two values, a and b. To fix this error, make sure that the number of values you're trying to unpack matches the number of elements in the iterable. For example, let's run this code. Here is the output. This will work because the tuple, 1, 2, has two elements, and you're trying to unpack two values, a and b.
Hopefully this video helps you to sort out the issue you were facing. If you still face problem or need further help, just write in comments. I will reply you as soon as possible. Before you go, if you like this video, you can subscribe for this channel for future videos, which can help and assist you further.